What up, bro cards? First off, let's check the fit. Just show off my fit. I just wanted to look good today because today I'm meeting my online internet best friend of like a long time now. Like, we've been online best friends for so long. This is the first time we're gonna meet. She's from New York, so I think we're gonna drive around and like show her some scenic spots in this area just to like show her around and stuff. I'm so hyped. Oh my god, we're finally meeting her. We're with Luis and Chris, and yeah, later on we're also going to be playing this game to see how well we know each other, because we kind of know each other from like the internet, but not like that well, like not as well as I know Chris, because like me and Chris are best friends. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna go drive to her right now. I'm kind of running late, but as you can see, it's fashion to be late. Let's head over. Let's meet her. This is crazy. We're pulling up right now. I need to text her because we're kind of late, but it's on the left. Oh my god. Yeah, when she gets out, I'm gonna get out of the car too.
I'm gonna move to the back.
Oh my god. Okay, that. Oh yeah, okay, get out. Hi. He's recording. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Oh my god. This is crazy. In person, like we've known each other for so long. You're taller than that.
This is it. This is the moment we've been waiting for.
God. Are you seeing this right now? This is okay. So we have plans. I think we're gonna go to like a scenic spot, like where you can like see the valley, kind of, and just like show you that. You want to tell them about yourself? Tell.
What should I say?
A YouTuber. And
okay, so my name is Vienna Sky, and I also make videos. I'm in New York though. I make videos about school and fashion.
So we're here at the first spot now, the first spot we decided to come to, which is like the scenic spot we come to for thrift videos all the time. And you know, like we've known each other for a long time. We've talked about this for a lot. Like we've talked about this a lot, how she loves scenic spots. So what do you think of this area?
Well, I can't believe I'm finally here with my best friend in California.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Who knew this would actually happen? How long have we known each other? 2, 3 years?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah, now we're gonna go eat something just because that's what friends do after you meet on the internet.
So what
I feel like it'd be funny if we make it like, I don't know.
Like what?
I don't. Okay.
Don't think
so
about
we're
it,
trying
just
to
do
say
it.
that we've been friends for a long time.
Yeah,
just make it a meme.
And I think it's funny that we don't know each other at all.
And then it gets revealed when you guys do the friendship test that you don't know anything about each other.
Okay, so we're making it seem like we know everything about each other right now because we're best friends.
Okay.
Yeah.
And okay, I got it.
Yeah, we could. Oh, we should do like some slow-mo, like, hold on, let me.
Yeah.
Let's do that, like slow-mo, like. Oh my god, it's real best friend.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
I think that's gonna be so good.
What should we guys get to eat? What should we eat? What should we get to eat?
Tatsu.
Tatsu?
If we're going over there.
Yeah, since I'm your best friend, I know that's your favorite.
Yeah, I love Tatsu. Do you like ramen?
Yeah.
Okay, we can go to Tatsu.
Okay, so one day he asked me what my favorite song was, and I told him, and guess what? We have the same favorite song. Like, what are the odds?
So I'm gonna be playing it on our drive. It's Paranoid by Kanye West, by the way, so let's do it. Yeah, best friend things. Yeah. So I know how much you said you wanted to go to Tatsu. Like, we've been talking about this for a long time. We're finally going to Tatsu Ramen, and I've been here in the vlog before, but she's never been here. She's had ramen before,
but
she's
not
never
here.
Yeah, not the best ramen in LA.
Yeah, I've heard a lot of good things.
I got you food too.
Yeah. Some good corn, bro. Good eats. I forgot my wallet. Typical Paisley, bro, forgetting stuff.
What, did you get Luis anything?
Yeah. I got him a side of corn.
Two more sweet corn.
That's 12 sweet corn. We're eating good. It's only like, it's like 12 pieces. Did I just get a free meal?
That's on you, bro.
I'm not even gonna say anything, bro. Remember the last time I was here?
What? They just brought Luis some soup, but he didn't order anything. And this happened last time because like they didn't charge him last time. Are you gonna eat it?
Yeah.
You just brought it.
Bro,
Is that what you ordered?
Yeah, that's what I want.
Wait, how did that happen?
Wait, you ordered this?
You ordered soup? Oh, you ordered it for him? No. What happened? They changed the 12 sides of coin into that. So like we're gonna save money if we didn't give him a bowl of soup. So now the moment you've been waiting for, the actual game where we see how well we know each other. We ate, we came back here, and now it's time. Chris behind the camera is going to be asking us a couple of questions. We're going to be answering them, writing down our answer on paper. So we both have markers and paper, and we're going to see how well we know each other from the time we've known each other online. So, okay. Ready when you are, Chris.
Do you know your best friend's eye color without looking?
All right, 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
Ding ding.
Easy, way too easy.
Do you know your best friend's favorite color?
Too easy. No, it's actually lavender. That's my favorite color.
Oh.
Do you know your best friend's birthday?
Yep, super easy. Yeah, you just look like a terrible friend right now.
I know.
Okay, ready? 3.
She hasn't written anything.
Oh, okay. It's nothing?
Okay.
Wait, whose birthday is that?
That's your birthday.
Really?
Yeah, that's my birthday. Yeah. Whose birthday is that? What the heck? You just randomly guessed that.
That's so funny.
My birthday's October 26th.
Is that
that's my
random?
birthday,
Was
so-
that just random?
No, I knew your birthday.
Wait, how'd you
We're
know
not
my
best
birthday?
friends.
It was a guess.
I just completely guessed.
That's weird. Okay.
Next question.
Do you know your best friend's full name?
You're never gonna know my full.
Ooh.
Oh, okay. I'm writing something down. Are you ready? 3.
Wait,
Okay, all right. 3, 2, 1.
I have no clue you're on.
Anthony STOPKART.
Vienna sausages. All right,
got it
close
right.
enough. Close enough.
Okay, wait, hold on.
What is your best friend's favorite movie?
I don't know, maybe.
I strongly dislike that movie.
Really?
This one I know is right.
What is
Well,
your
I
favorite
guess
movie?
I don't know. I feel like I would say like Angus Pound's The Perfect Snogging, but you've definitely not seen that.
Okay.
Or like the Bratz doll movie. But also, I mean, I like movies like Fight Club.
Okay.
That movie's good.
When did we meet?
Okay, I know when we met. No.
But
It's a trick question.
yeah. Is this even today's date? Oh.
We've known each other for 3 years.
Yeah, but we met today.
Oh, okay. Oh, damn. Never mind. Oh my god.
Oh, right. Good. Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Background.
Do you know what kind of music your best friend listens to?
Yep. Ready?
I'm waiting for her to write something down.
You didn't even write anything down.
You were in the car.
I was in the car. He listens to a lot of different music. I got it.
Yeah,
Good music.
that's right. Sing along music. That's pretty.
That's
general.
very true.
So far, we look like pretty terrible friends. Like we don't know anything about each other.
Do you know whom your best friend likes?
No, I can't write that. I was gonna write. I can't write.
What's
God. When? Oh, that's true.
Do you know what your best friend's favorite things to do are? She wrote a whole list.
Ready?
Yeah.
School, fashion, thrifting, make YouTube videos, eat tattoo. Yeah, okay.
Spot on. That's my life.
What am I most afraid of? Or what are you guys most afraid of?
No, I got it. I was like, what is
Okay,
Chris?
okay.
Alright, ready? 3, 2.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh.
I got it. Okay.
Woohoo. Who would I invite to my fantasy dinner party?
I'm taking a guess on this. What does that say?
Yourself.
Oh.
Wow. Oh my. This is just the. Stigma against me.
What? No.
Everyone always says that.
Well,
Everyone always
because
says
I just watched your video, and
Okay,
then
yeah.
he said you could have his store, and so then I
Okay,
thought
alright,
you'd
that-
have a nice dinner
that
together.
makes, okay, never mind.
Okay,
Never, I tell
sorry.
you that. No, it's okay.
I have funny tea to tell
I
you
got
about
offended.
this.
What?
You got offended?
Yeah, but then you
Oh, I'm
explained
so
it. No,
sorry.
you explained it and it was fine.
Let me see. Let me think of one
I used to
more.
be a fanboy, like gross level. So.
Okay. What state are you from?
News, yeah.
There you go.
We're both right. That's, oh my god, best friends.
Wow.
Yeah, wow. So,
You guys are cool.
yeah, as you saw, we don't know each other that well because like we're not even that close. Like we don't really talk that often. But you want to like not put that in?
No, we can. We have
Okay. That's the truth. We just decided to hang out like for a video because it's cool content. Let's get this bread. That's it for this video. That was a cool pan, by the way, Chris. Thank you for doing that. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. We're gonna be doing a fit rate video on her channel, so you can check it out when it comes out. Probably when this video comes out. That's like that loud truck. So that'll be on her channel. You can check it out. She also has a lot of cool content. Like I recommend watching it. It's like New York based, right? It's all kinds of cool stuff. So check it out. Link below. First link.